On the Mechaniker, to show you how to change a flat tire. One of the most simplest processes of pretty much the items you'll be needing is a jack, crowbar, or impact, and pretty much impact socket wrenches. Alright, the first step to this process is pop the hub cap, center cap out in order to access the lugs. Now there's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now first thing you want to do is jack the car up. You're gonna want to find the jack spot. Let me see here. These are the jack indicators underneath the car. That's where you want to put the jack in place of it. Next you want to do is place the jack right in them indicators. Once you do that, next step is tighten up the piston. Once you do that, put the jack bar in here, and you can go ahead and start cranking it up. And before you jack it all the way up, make sure the emergency brake is on. It's already on in the car. And the next step is, I want to find out what size the lugs are. I believe they're 21. Let's see. There's a 21 right here. Fits. Let's see, I think my impact dead, but let's find out. First one, remove the second one, remove the third one, and before I remove the last one, I'm gonna jack the car up all the way. Make sure the tire is completely off the ground, and you do have to remember that the tire is flat. So once you put the new one on, you have to jack it up a little higher. So pretty much jack it up right about there. Move the last one. After that, we're gonna both somewhere you can keep them. Sometimes you gotta play with these tires, hit them and kick them and things of that nature, because over time, with the rust acts as like a bond or a wheel, and it holds the tire in place. So you just want to kick it one good time. Once you kick it, the tire broke loose. And there you go. Now I'm finna go pretty much air the tire up, and I'm pretty much do the same procedure. I'll be back. All right, put the lugs on now. Oh, put the tire back on now. Slipped off. Grab the second one. Third one, fourth one, impact up, check the cord now. When you shut the cord down, move the jack out the way. Put the center cap back on. Hit it with the palm of your hand. Every corner. That's how you change the tire.